Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about the complex number. So now I want to show you how to answer. For the first one, we know that we have z equals to a plus b I. We know that a that is for the real. This one for imaginary. So in this situation, we have I. That means for imaginary in here because we have the small I in here. So this one and this one, they should be the same. We see that we don't have the real part on the left. That means that's about 0 in here. So 2x minus number 4 equals to number 0. So in this one, we create the system of equations. Now we put negative number 4 go to the right, 3y go to the left. Now we divide both sides by number 2. And we have 4 divided by 2, we have number 2. So 3y will become negative 3y, 4y minus 3y, we have positive y. So we put number 2 on here. And we have y equals to negative number 4. So the answer for the first one, s equals to number 2, y equals to negative number 4. Now let's go to the second one. So we put this one go to the left, this one go to the right. Now we need to expand. So s multiplied by s and 3y. So we have s squared plus 3sy. This one we expand to. So we have 3s plus 3sy. And we have 4i with number 1. We have 4i. And for I with iy, we have 4i squared y. We know that I squared equal to negative number 1. So we need to change into negative number 1. Now we have I and I. We can put like this. So on the left, we don't have the real numbers. That is about number 0 in here. So we have the system of equations. Now we simplify 3sy for the both sides. We put negative 4y go to the right. So this one we will have s equals to number 2 and s equals to negative number 2. So this one we can find the value of y in here. when s equals to number 2, so y equal to 3s, we divide both sides by number 4. And we have y equals to 3 over 2. When s equals to negative number 2, y equals to negative number 3 over 2. So we have two solutions. This is the end. Thank you for watching.